Hey everyone, welcome back to Steffi's Corner. Today we're going to be testing these Garnier Fructis bonding products. I have the pre-wash bonder, the shampoo and conditioner, and the strengthen repair serum. As always, I'm going to be following up with the LA Looks Extreme Sport Gel. If that's something you're interested in, keep watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and help out my channel. I really appreciate it. This is the before. I had used a Dyson hair dryer for my hair, so it looks pretty good. I don't have any split ends. It's not very frizzy. I use cold water. Wet the hair thoroughly first. I'm going to go in with the Garnier Fructis Bonding Pre-Shampoo Treatment. Has a nice consistency to it. I'm going to start on the ends and work my way to the mids. Putting a little bit on the hairline where my grays tend to be worse. Just work that through really well and leave it for 5 minutes. During the first couple of minutes, I'm going to use my Tangle Teezer and brush it through the hair, starting on the ends, detangling and working that bonding product through the hair. This really has a nice feel to it. It detangled well. Now I'm going to do a nice scalp massage while I wait for that treatment to finish. This increases the blood flow to the scalp. I don't have any product on my roots. I'm just doing the scalp massage just to help with my hair growth. I have had a lot of fallout, and this is going to increase that blood flow. That helps the hair follicles. I rinsed the Tangle Teezer and there was no fallout on the brush. Now I'm going to rinse with cold water. Be sure to get behind the ears, so you don't want any itchy areas. I did a thorough rinse with the cold water, making sure I didn't leave any product behind. Now I'm going to go in with the shampoo. These products are vegan, by the way, and they don't contain any sulfites. I start at the root with the shampoo and just work it through the ends. This smells really nice. I really enjoyed the fragrance of this. I never clump my hair up on top of my head and smush it all together. That tends to make tangles worse. And anytime you have to detangle more, you risk losing more hair. Follow with another cold water rinse. Thoroughly remove all that shampoo. Don't want any itchy scalp left behind. My hair already felt really nice with these products. So far, I'm liking it. Now I'm going to go in with the conditioner. This is really thick. I had to squeeze quite hard to get the product out. Had a really nice slip to it. conditioner, you want to start with the ends and then work towards the mid. You never want to put conditioner on your roots. I'm going to use that Tangle Teezer again and go through to work the product through every strand. I take my time. I really enjoy my hair washing. It's one of my favorite parts of self-care. I'll leave that on for 3 minutes. Followed by another cold rinse. My hair felt so good. The slip of this product is really nice, and even after the product was rinsed away, my hair felt really, really soft. And lastly, going in with the hair serum. Just a little bit, a couple tablespoons. Mid lengths to ends. Finger combing through, making sure that's worked all the way in. And finally, my LA Looks Extreme Sport Hold Gel. I usually use more than that, but I wanted to see what the Garnier would do. Now I have the Bounce Curl brush. This is going to work that product all the way through all the strands of my hair. And then I'm going to twist it to separate all the different curl clumps. I really like curl styling with this brush. It works very well. I've tried lots of others. Tangle Teezer really doesn't leave enough thickness to the clumps. When you have wavy hair instead of curly hair, you want a little bit thicker clump. Now I'm taking the Longe microfiber towel hair wrap, and I'm going to go ahead and scrunch a little bit. Now I'm going to use that hair wrap to plop. I'm going to tuck all those curls up to the top of my head and just wrap it around. It has a little button in the back to hold it in place. After about 30 minutes, unbutton it, and as you'll see, the curl clumps look really nice. I'm going to use the Tresemme Heat Protectant. Spray that all over and the top as well. I'm using the Curlsmith diffuser. I really like this because it has a large diffuser head. It still takes a really long time to diffuse all the hair. I really like these Garnier products. If you're looking for a less expensive alternative to high-end products, then I highly recommend these. I will say the curls wound up not staying as well clumped. I think it's because I didn't use as much gel, but my hair felt so good. It was soft. It had a lot of body. This was my hair completely dry. Like I said, the curl clumps didn't stay, but it felt amazing. Y'all have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.